Hello and welcome. In this lesson we will add meta avatars to our Unity project, and in the end we will see this little mirror scene here and we can use our avatars in the Unity project.
Getting meta avatars into your project is actually quite simple and straightforward, and I will just demonstrate the steps necessary to get started with these. I trust that you already prepared your projects for VR development in general. That means following the setup of the SDK and XR plugin here and the configuration of the Unity settings in order to support development for MetaQuest. And if you did not, then I recommend we did a video a couple of days ago, which is called Configure Unity for VR Development, that you just check out the steps necessary. It's only a couple of minutes. After that, we can go down to the additional SDKs, meta avatars, and the preparation is documented in the Configure Unity project section here. So actually it's really simple. So what we have to do to configure the project is we have to import the Oculus integration package from the Unity store, from Unity Asset Store, and then we have to import the Avatar SDK Unity package, which you have to download and import, and then we can test the project, for example, with the mirror scene. The other steps, enabling of VR support, changing to color space from gamma to linear, should already be done if you followed the previous tutorial or followed the steps here above. So first things first. First thing is we have to import the Oculus integration package. This you can get on the Oculus store, which I have at the asset store the asset store of Unity, which I opened here. So the package is called Oculus integration and it's free, and you can here just purchase and download this and open this then in Unity. Over on Unity, just open the package manager, open the My Assets here, and you will hopefully find the Oculus integration after you download all these 500 something megabytes, and then hit the import button, select everything and import everything, and we will wait until this is done, but I will obviously skip this in the video. And here we go. After almost 3 minutes, I really have to upgrade my laptop here. The thing is imported, and now it says it didn't detect any version of the OVR plugin, so it just sets the version number. And it says that we have to use OpenXR, which we will do. And finally, it will be activated by default. And I think there is one more message. It needs to restart, okay, and the spatial laser plugin is the very same thing. We upgrade this one and restart, and with this done, we are finally done, and the Oculus integration package is ready for usage. And with this comes the last step in order to use meta avatars in your Unity project, namely to import the meta avatars SDK Unity package, which you can find here. So the link leads you to this link, and here you have the downloads section. In the downloads, you scroll down, at least at the moment of this recording, and in the MISC section you will find the meta avatars SDK, which you download. After downloading, we can import this into Unity. And again, this is quite simple. Go to Assets and then import a package, a custom package, navigate to wherever you stored your just downloaded package. This is the Unity packages here, meta avatars. This is the package, and select this one, open it, and then import everything into your project, and we are good to go. Once the import is done, you will be greeted by this ugly red error message here, at least at the moment of this recording. The reason for this is that we have a duplicated newtons of JSON DLL in our assets at the moment. One is coming from, I'm not exactly sure, but the second one we just imported, and this is coming from, let me see if I find it. It is coming from here. This is from Assets Oculus Avatar 2 Scripts Avatar Deep Link. This includes newtons of JSON DLL, and obviously it's in the project at some other point already. And what I did, what I found, which is what is working, is you can find this one. I already opened it here in the Oculus. Let me just show you Oculus Avatar Scripts. Avatar Editor Deep Link. Here you will find this DLL. This is the file here, and you can just exclude it from the standalone and from the editor also. I think the problem comes with the standalone, but I'm not really sure. But this actually helps. So after applying these changes and rebuilding, the error message will vanish. Here we go, and I can demonstrate this. If we just go to build settings and do a clean rebuild, then we should not have any error messages left. So I'll just demonstrate this. And with this, we're done. And as you can see, it completed without any further error message, only a warning. And this is what we wanted to achieve. And with this, we are really good to go. And let's just test if everything is working as intended. So you should have your Quest connected to the PC, and then you can open a sample scene, which comes with the Avatar 2 SDK. Here below Oculus Avatar 2 SDKs and examples and scenes. And we take the mirror scene here and just open it in Unity. And then with the Quest connected, you can just hit build and run. And you will see the Avatar SDK's mirror scene in a minute. And I will start recording.
And here it comes now from inside the headset. The scene is loading, the avatars are loading, hello. And for whatever reason, the lip sync is not working again. This is because the microphone is on, I think. Just check this out. Alright, I just checked this out. So what I just observed is that at least in this scene, the lip syncing and the recording at the same time in Oculus Craft seem to be not working. If I stop the recording, then lip syncing is working. Currently, lip syncing is not working. We will check this out if we can modify this. But for the moment, hello, Meta avatars are working. We are in a nice little scene here. And we will continue with the next lesson.